What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today we're going to be meeting up with the homie Ryan. I've had quite a few people asking where he's been, but he was in the videos maybe 3, 4, maybe 5 videos ago. It wasn't too long ago. But we're gonna go ahead and meet up with him. He's gonna be getting some work done on his car, and we can kind of go over where his car stands for the end of 2021. Plus, his mom's getting some new wheels on her truck, so we'll go ahead and go over all of that. So let's go ahead and head on over there. Alright, so, oh no, you good, you good. I'm just getting here and cleaning the car up a little bit. It's funny because thinking about it, like you said, you was like you haven't really done anything, but you do have different wheels. You got the different underglow, different underglow kit, and you have a different trunk setup.
The damn lights stuck to the damn mat, and when I pulled it up, ripped the damn shit up.
Damn.
So I'm gonna take the bottom mat out and do a floor like yours.
Okay. Now, as far as the color, do you know which color you're gonna go? Great. Okay. Alright. Gotcha. So the last time, well, actually, I don't even remember if last year you had the 1 or the 2. I think you had 1. 2? Well, I wasn't sure last year.
Last year I had 1.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So the video will be in the description for last year's setup. But this box is just kind of like how mine is, except for my port is on the other side. And he set up the lights around his. Now, he has the lights here as well. For mine, he set up my trunk and he put my lights up here, and I have some down here as well. So definitely a decent setup. And I believe he has different tints on here because it was done by a different shop. The ones he had last year, I believe, were a little darker, and I think they were coming up a little bit. But yeah, so. And of course we got to get this repaired again. I heard a lot of people with the Maxima been having issues with that as well. Oh yeah, he has the carbon fiber door handles, which I don't believe he had the last time. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm not sure if he had the steering lip or not. I should have really looked at the video, because we be doing stuff throughout the year and just kind of slip our mind. So, and yeah, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish up here, and then we're gonna head to the shop. All right, so we are at Speed Zone already. Looks like they did pull his Bob's truck around, so just waiting for Ryan to pull up with the wheels, and they'll be getting to that. But let me go ahead and head on in and talk to the homies real quick. Sounds pretty good, looks pretty good. Got all the wheels. Those white gram lights, even the white Cosmos look pretty good. But for y'all who haven't been here in a while, Speed Zone Orlando. They got their clothing line too. Definitely check them out. And they got some custom parts, exhausts, and things of that nature. Alright, so we are done. Looking good. Of course, with the video, gotta get up close. I think it's a nice touch. 22s. What y'all think? So, listen to the Maxima. Just a quick little pull. Need that V6 life. guys think? How you think it sounds? I think it sounds pretty good. But yeah, we got it fixed, or adjusted, I should say. I'm not hearing a lot of no creaks and noises here, so definitely sounds pretty good. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do a quick little once over once we get to the house to end the video, so stay tuned. Yeah, but there we go. Let me know what you guys think. Both of them actually, both pretty clean, especially with this new setup. Much better. Can't see me in it. Alright, so it seemed like I didn't end this video as well, so sorry about that. That's 2 in a row. But yeah, definitely enjoyed hanging out with the homie and going over his car and his mom's new setup. Definitely love the choice with the wheel, the 22. The design is pretty dope. But like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But before we end this one, I'm going to go ahead and do the comment of the day. And that goes out to but yeah, like I said, if you want to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment on the videos and we'll randomly select one to be selected for comment of the day. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.